Edward.
Yeah.
You wanna mess with the kid, brother?
No, Jake, I don't wanna mess with the kid.
I know that, I know. Hey, what about you, man? You wanna mess with the kid? Any of you guys? Okay. How about you people? You wanna mess with the kid? No, it's me. Down, telling everybody start to put them down, yeah, yeah. Tell me what you did. You can call it what you want to, and I'll call it messing with the kid. Okay, give me the 10 all possible. You tell me a lie, but I don't know love you, baby, till the day I die, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Tell me what you did. You can call it what you want to, and I call it messing with the kid. Say what? What you say? Wow, 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 joli jumper. Mais calme-toi, Bador.